Top 5 definitions of computer. What is computer? Definition number 1. The word compute is derived from the Latin word computere, whose meaning arithmetic, accounting. The computer meaning is the digital device that stores information in memory using input devices and manipulate information to produce output according to given instructions. What is computer? Definition number 2. An electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instructions given to it in a variable program. What is computer? Definition number 3. A computer is a digital electronic machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. What is computer? Definition number 4. General-purpose devices for performing calculations and operations on data. What is computer? Definition number 5. Programmable machines for storing, processing and calculating data.